It's summer and it's 92 degrees outside, so here's a quick and easy way to make a skirt. First, you'll need a few yards of your fabric, a way to measure it, and some fabric scissors. This was my method I used at getting the right measurements for me for this skirt, so you can adjust, of course, to your own measurements. So you start with your hip measurements, you divide that by 2 and add 15, and you will get how long each of your first 2 rectangles should be. Then you take that number, in my case it is 61 centimeters, you multiply that by 1.5, and that gives you your length for the second 2 rectangles. I got 91.5 centimeters, and then I multiplied that number again by 1.5, and I got the length for the third set of rectangles. Then you will measure how long you want your skirt to be, and you divide that number by 3. I added 2 centimeters for my seam allowance, and then 5 for the first rectangle to account for my elastic waistband that is about 2 centimeters wide. If this was all confusing and a lot to take in, you can of course pause here if you need to. So now for each set of rectangles, I am sewing the sides together with a normal straight stitch like I showed in the picture, with right sides together. After that, I will sew my gathering stitches on only panels 2 and 3, and I will sew them on the tops of each panel. You should now have your 3 panels looking something like this. The gathering stitches on the second panel need to be adjusted to be the same length as the bottom of the first panel, and then the third panel needs to be adjusted with the gathers even to the length of the bottom of the second panel. Once you are done with that, you'll just need to pin and sew all of these sections with right sides together. Here I am just sewing back the top of the skirt with enough space to fit my 2 centimeter wide elastic. I did leave an opening so that I can thread it through, and then I'll go back to stitch it closed to finish it off. I don't have a serger, so I went ahead and did a zigzag stitch on all of the raw edges to prevent my seams from fraying, and then lastly I ironed, pinned, and hemmed the bottom to finish my new skirt. And finally, I'm done with my new skirt, and I'm super happy with this project. I really want to make more of these types of skirts now. They're just the perfect thing to wear for these hot summer days lately, and this only took me about an evening of work and a little bit of the next morning. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next project. Bye!